Hey again, Ryan Smith at Better Life Carolinas. This is the second part of our talk about preventative screening. Last time we talked about atherosclerosis and heart disease. This time I thought we would talk about neurodegenerative disease. That's a big umbrella term that really encompasses a lot of different disease states that probably shouldn't be necessarily grouped together, but we do just out of convenience. And what we're talking about are diseases like Alzheimer's disease, vascular dementia, other forms of dementia like Lewy body dementia, and then movement disorders like Parkinson's disease that are progressive and degenerative in nature. Now, these all come about for different reasons, and the treatment for each one is quite varied. But it is something that we address fairly holistically. When it comes to cognitive screening, we like to do serial cognitive examinations using an objective measurement. And we use a test called CNS Vitals for that purpose. And that provides a lot of good quantitative objective data that we can track over time, really to see if any differences begin to appear. Family history is another key part of screening for neurodegenerative disease. When family history indicates a potential problem, we like to use genomic evaluation to further dive into that. Genomics can shed light on risk for cognitive decline, and there are a lot of different genomic variants that can be associated with that. The classic one, the one that is probably most well known, is the ApoE4 allele, and we certainly look for that, but that's not the whole story. And the good news is that even in the setting of these genetic variants like ApoE4, we have a plan that we can implement to help reduce the risk of cognitive decline ever becoming an issue. And I do firmly believe that it is not a sentence to have one of these genomic variants, that there are things that we can do to help. So as opposed to in the past when cognitive decline seemed like an inevitability within certain families, now we have a targeted approach that includes medication, supplements, and lifestyle changes. Big changes to diet and exercise can really result in a reduction in risk. And so because of the diversity and the types of conditions that we are lumping in this category, really our approach is geared towards the individual. There's no one-size-fits-all treatment here. Exercise, diet are key in all of these, and finding ways to help reduce neural inflammation, finding ways to promote brain health are all key as well. But the plan is going to be a precise, tailored plan for you, the individual.